Secularism, Theistic and Atheistic Perspectives. An organized entity like a state does not have any religion, unlike during the Age of Faith, when the head of a family or tribe was the sole determiner of the faith for the family and tribe. Similarly, kings played a major role in imposing their faith on the people within their kingdoms. Whether in ancient times or the modern post-industrial era, the state itself has never possessed a religion, although kings and people might have. By definition, the state is secular. The word secular comes from the Latin word secularis, meaning worldly or temporal, because it pertains solely to this worldly life in an organized society. However, if the state enacts laws concerning the hereafter, it adopts a religious or theistic character. Conversely, if it legislates without regard to the hereafter, its laws might be described as atheistic. Many aspects of our lives, including the handling of drugs and prostitution, whether banned, partially banned, or not at all, are governed by secular laws, which may or may not have been inspired by any particular religion.
This is an e-production of avtlibrary.com, where our e-library brings you a rich collection of e-audio, e-video, and e-text. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.